What if I told you your car is secretly sabotaging itself? That built-in features designed for your comfort, convenience, or performance might actually be killing your vehicle faster than you ever imagined. We're not talking about freak accidents or manufacturing defects. These are features hiding in plain sight, ones you probably use every day, that are silently draining your engine, transmission, battery, and more. And mechanics? They know, but they'll never warn you. Because the longer you stay in the dark, the more money they make. In this video, we expose the hidden car features that could shave years off your vehicle's life. Stay until the end. You won't believe number 9. First, Auto Start Stop, the engine killer in disguise. Auto Start Stop was designed to save fuel. But what they didn't tell you is that it also puts serious strain on your starter, motor, battery, and even engine mounts. Every time you stop at a red light, your engine shuts off, and when the light turns green, it kicks back on. Multiply that by hundreds of starts per week, and you're accelerating wear that traditionally took years. Pro mechanics recommend turning this feature off, especially in hot weather or stop-and-go traffic. Second, Sport Mode, performance at a price. That exciting burst of power in Sport Mode. It feels great, but it forces your engine and transmission to run harder and hotter. Throttle response is sharpened, RPMs stay higher, and fuel economy tanks. Over time, this leads to faster wear on engine internals, transmission solenoids, and cooling systems. Save Sport Mode for open highways or short bursts, not daily commutes. Third, Adaptive Cruise Control, battery and sensor overload. Adaptive Cruise relies on radar, cameras, and complex processors to maintain speed and spacing. It's convenient, yes, but it also draws constant power from your car's electrical system. Combine this with aging alternators or weak batteries, and you have a recipe for electrical system strain. Worst case, malfunctioning sensors that cost thousands to replace. Fourth, power tailgates and sliding doors, slow battery drainers. These convenience features constantly sip energy, even when your car is off. Sensors remain on standby, ready to open with a button press. Over time, this parasitic draw wears out your battery, especially if you take short trips or park for long periods. Pro tip, if you don't use them often, disable auto features in the vehicle settings. Fifth, touchscreen climate controls, distracted driving risk. Modern infotainment systems look cool, but relying on screens to adjust temperature or fan speed can increase your reaction time on the road. Studies show screen-based controls take up to 4 times longer than physical knobs. Besides the safety issue, these systems often require expensive software updates and are more prone to failure over time. Six, automatic high beams, hidden risk to sensor systems. This feature uses cameras to detect oncoming traffic and switch between low and high beams. But when sensors get dirty, misaligned, or blocked, the system malfunctions. You could end up blinding other drivers or triggering expensive headlight system repairs. Clean the sensors regularly or turn off the system if driving in snowy or foggy weather. Seventh, lane keep assist, steering system wear. Constant micro adjustments from lane assist motors create tiny amounts of wear on your electric power steering components. And when the system glitches, which happens often, it may jerk the wheel unexpectedly, causing unnecessary strain. If you're an attentive driver, disable this feature unless driving long highway stretches. Eight, remote start, comfort versus engine wear. It's great to warm up or cool down your car remotely, but using remote start daily can lead to excessive idling. which is the silent killer of modern engines. Idling burns fuel inefficiently, dilutes engine oil with unburned fuel, and increases carbon buildup. Use it sparingly. 30 seconds to 1 minute is usually enough. 9. Overuse of paddle shifters. Transmission trouble. Manual shifting through paddle shifters gives a sense of control, but untrained drivers often shift too late or too early, causing unnecessary stress on the transmission. Many CVT and DCT systems weren't designed for prolonged manual use. If you're not sure how to rev match or downshift correctly, stick with automatic mode. 10th, memory seat functions, draining power, failing motors. Memory seats rely on electric motors and position sensors that activate every time you unlock or start the car. They're constantly moving back and forth, which wears down the motor, especially in cars with multiple drivers. Turn off the auto memory recall setting unless it's absolutely necessary. 11. Always. On Bluetooth and Wi-Fi hotspots, the silent battery killers. These wireless features stay active even when your car is off. Over days or weeks of disuse, they slowly drain your battery. If you leave your car parked for days and the battery is dead, this might be why. Disable unused wireless features through your infotainment settings. 12th, excessive use of auto brake hold, brake system strain. Auto hold keeps the brakes applied after you take your foot off the pedal. Great in traffic, but constant use can wear out the brake calipers and pads unevenly. Long term, it increases maintenance costs. Use it when truly needed, not just as a daily habit. Psychological insight. Why we love features that hurt our cars. Manufacturers know comfort sells. Features like remote start, auto hold, and adaptive cruise give us dopamine hits, making us feel in control, modern, and safe. But that comfort comes at a cost: complexity, wear, and hidden maintenance. The trick is knowing when to use them and when to turn them off. Pro tips from veteran mechanics. Check your owner's manual. Many of these features have off switches or customizable settings. Keep your software updated, but don't rely on features to replace good driving habits. Ask your mechanic if a system can be disabled permanently. Especially if it causes recurring issues. Which of these features do you use daily? Did you know any of them were silently damaging your car? Comment below with the one that shocked you the most. Smash that like button if this video saved you a trip to the mechanic. And subscribe for more behind-the-scenes car tips from real-world pros, because the truth will always ride shotgun here.